Hey everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to talk about the home buying process and how it can be overwhelming, especially for first-time home buyers. But with the right guidance and preparation, it can be an exciting and rewarding experience. Today we are going to dive down deep into exactly where you need to start from the documentations needed to receiving your keys on closing day.
Hi, I'm Darlene Harrison, mortgage specialist at Bank of Montreal.
And I'm Amanda McCaskey with eXp Realty. So Darlene, exactly where do we start when getting that pre-approval?
The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to provide you a list of documentation to get you a firm pre-approval.
Okay, and what does that documentation look like?
So first thing is income. So if you're employed by an employer, I require your most recent two years T4s as well as a current pay stub. And if you have been employed with this employer for less than a year, I will require a letter of employment from your employer.
Okay, is there any other documents that you may need?
Yes, I will also need a list of your assets, including vehicles, investments with investment statements, and your bank accounts with approximate balances, as well as I'm going to need a list of your debts, so that being loans, line of credits, credit cards. And I also need proof of down payment and closing costs via a 90-day bank statement.
Okay, and what does closing costs look like? What would I expect?
So closing costs are roughly 1.5% of the purchase price of the home.
Okay, and closing costs can include the land transfer tax, the title insurance, adjustments on closing?
Correct. And once you have that pre-approval in place, the pre-approval with Bank of Montreal is guaranteed. That rate is locked in for 130 days, longer than any other financial institution.
Wow, that's amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I love that. So now that we've been pre-approved,
so then after the pre-approval, then you contact yourself, Amanda McCaskey at eXp Realty, and she'll be able to start you on the home buying journey.
Okay, perfect. So you get in touch with me, we're going to sit down, have a quick consultation of exactly what is most important to you and things to consider, whether that's the location, proximity to work, school districts. We're going to send you listings that meet the criteria within your budget. We're going to go over the paperwork that you need to write an offer and the things that are included in that offer. And once we finally submit an offer on the home that we like, what do we do from there?
So then I'm going to require a copy of the MLS listing as well as the offer to purchase, and Amanda will send that documentation to me. Then at Bank of Montreal, we'll confirm that the property that you've put the offer in meets the standards for BMO finance.
Okay, perfect. So once the home inspection is good, we're going to remove those conditions. That puts us into a firm and binding contract. Now we have the time period between that and closing date. And during that time period, I'm going to send you a list of things we need to do in preparation for closing date, like setting up your hydro account.
As well, you'll need to attend the branch and the lawyer's office to sign some documentation just before closing day.
And closing day is when you make the final payment and you receive the keys and the homeownership is transferred to you. And there you have it, valuable insight from a real estate agent and a mortgage specialist on what to expect during the home buying process. I hope this information has been helpful, and we wish you the best of luck to the journey of home ownership. Thanks for watching.